Start singing. I was speaking bird. I told him to come here and eat it, and he came.
Or she came. Or what seeds is that? Oh, the seeds from the multigrain.
I'm
You saw me do it earlier.
Richard's like,
I left some in the corner and the three of them came down.
and the vulture's gonna come eat him.
Yeah, that's great. That's
Look,
circle of life.
now there's 3 of them.
It's okay. Once it runs out, they won't come back.
Yeah, right.
No, they didn't. They took off. Right.
I don't want that bird. I like the red bird.
Is that you talking to them?
Yeah.
Is your daughter done?
Look at you're attracting all the birds.
I know.
They're like Cinderella. Haven't you seen Enchanted? I wanna know.
And then the rats show up, and then the what do you call them show up? Cockroaches.
Oh, honey, look at there's 3 honey.
3 of them.
Honey, look, there's 3 now.
Oh, there's a bigger one now. Watch out.
These creatures called birds.
Well, they don't usually.
I've only read about them.
They don't usually
never,
come this
ever
close.
thought.
What do you mean they're not this close?
They usually don't come right up to
I've
your
only read
table.
about them. The history books. It's amazing.
Maybe because you called them, you invited them to your table.
Yeah. Your daughter's not even watching them.
Oh my gosh, did they just poop over there? You gotta clean it up. You need to clean it up.
That was there.
You need to clean it up. And you brought it, you need to clean it.
The red one? Yeah.
No, that's wax. It was there earlier.
Oh, the bananas ripe real quick.
I know. I said put them outside so they'd be warm.
You're right. There's nice big one now.
This bird's trying to look for food. We left it some seeds. Now it's coming back for more. It's pretty brave coming up this close. Maybe it thinks it can eat these bananas. Oh, I guess there's a seed there. There's more seeds.